A twist in the Ariel Winter drama. I'm Hyla in Hollywood for the Daily Buzz on CELEBUZZ.com. Wednesday, we learned that 14-year-old Modern Family star Ariel Winter filed abuse claims against her mother, Kris Workman. Today, we have obtained exclusive information that Ariel was involved in a relationship with an 18-year-old man. Joining me right now to explain all of this is CELEBUZZ editor-in-chief Dylan Howard. Dylan, yesterday the big story was that there was drama with the mom. Now the mom is coming out and saying, no, I'm trying to protect my daughter.
Indeed. Two key pieces of information, Hyla, about this story that has Hollywood buzzing. We have a police report that CELEBUZZ has obtained exclusively, which was filed on October 6th, and I have the document here with me. The person making the claim, the informant, was Ariel Winter's mother, Kris Workman. And in this document, she tells the LA County Sheriff's Department that on one particular occasion, on the 24th of the month prior to October, September, at approximately 10 p.m., she walked into the guest bedroom of their California home and found her daughter, Ariel, in bed with a man, a boyfriend, who is 18 years of age. Now, the language in this document is explicit by its nature. We are not revealing the exact contents of that because I don't think anyone really wants to hear that. But above all, we're also not naming the boyfriend at the centre of this story. Suffice to say that the language used by the LA County Sheriff's Department is suspicious circumstances, and I quote, possible unlawful sex with a minor. Now, in addition to that, we obtained a statement from Ms. Workman in relation to these claims before we obtained this police report. And I wanted to quote a little from her statement that she provided to CELEBUZZ today. And this perhaps provides a window into why these claims may have been levelled in court, abuse claims that saw her daughter taken away from her and put into the guardianship of her sister. Now, according to Mrs. Workman, she says that there was an incident where she, quote, caught them engaging in behaviour that I feel my daughter is too young mentally and physically to understand and fully grasp. So she put a stop to it immediately. She goes on to confirm that she made police aware of these allegations.
So help me understand the timeline here, because like I said, on Wednesday, we heard that the mother was in trouble. This is the issue with the mom. So did that happen first and then these accusations about the boyfriend came out?
So indeed, the suggestion, if you read between the lines from the mother, is that these claims by Ariel were made in court in response to the mother's actions to defend her daughter for being in this relationship with an older man. Though, Hyla, perhaps the more intriguing timeline, though, is why Ariel went to the Department of Child Protective Services in this city and made the allegations against her mum, but then it was 5 days later that the mum went to police and made the claims in these documents. Okay. That is interesting to me, and indeed I want to read to you one particular section where the LA County Sheriff's Department asked that question of Mrs. Workman, and this is what she said. She said she did not report this incident at the time because she was uncertain as to what she wanted to do. She wanted to seek advice from her friends and her attorney. She was advised by her attorney to notify law enforcement. That is what she did. A twist on this story. Who knows where it's going to end up next?
Okay, well, obviously, we're going to have the latest for you right here on CELEBUZZ.com. Thank you, Dylan.
Thank you, Hyla.